Out here making moves, I've been making money like a nigga graduated school.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Work in Progress. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm pretty sure you guys all want to know exactly how much I get paid. So today I'll be going over the biggest check I've ever received through this company. So again, if you guys don't know, I'm a driver for a third party company that's contracted with Amazon. And so with that being said, this right here is the biggest check I've ever received. And this is actually like my 5th check ever. And so we'll be going over that right now. So pretty much as it loads up now, this is actually the ADP app. So as of right now, well, I wouldn't say as of right now, but in the last check, I had finished out at 80 hours.9. So that was with the last check. As you can see, December 27th, it's that Friday. And so again, this is the ADP app. This is actually where we clock in and clock out at. And it may be different for your company, but this is how we do it at ours. And this is actually like the display here, stuff like that. And all that stuff has benefits should be kicking in tomorrow. And yeah, so everything's going good. At 13.35, that was like, you know, with holiday and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to end up finishing out this week strong. So never mind that. What you guys here for is exactly what the check is. The reason why I made so much over the past couple of weeks. And so as you can see, it's all in X's. And so before I show you this is actually, I'm going on my 2nd month already with delivering packages for the third party company that I work for. And so with that being said, how we do things at our company is whenever you get to your 2nd month, you actually get a bonus. Guys, you actually get a bonus. So it may be different for your company, but for ours, we get a bonus after your first 2 months. As soon as you hit your first 2 months, you get a bonus. And keep in mind, there's also a holiday bonus. Christmas just passed. All right. So idealistically, this is a number that it can be obtained depending on the company you work for. You know, they may give out overtime and stuff like that. You know, especially if you're in a higher up, if you have a better position. So it all depends. I'm starting out basic level, my first 2 months with holiday pay. Boom. So that's actually what you can expect to make in my shoes. Okay. It can be different for anybody, but there's a way that you have to work it. A lot of people that I found out a lot of people are not hitting their hours. A lot of people are complaining that their checks are real small. The real reason why their checks are small is because they're finishing too fast. Guys, look, it doesn't matter if I have 100 packages or 200 packages. I'm still going to get my 8 hours. I'm going to stretch it out. Look, because if you looked at my previous videos, you would know I worked 3 jobs before. So working 3 jobs, you have a mentality of knowing that you have to get a certain amount of hours, right? So getting 8 hours is nothing. That's nothing to me, you know. And especially with this job right here, I'm able just to really take my time and do it. I've got my own little steady method that I do personally that helps me out with not only finishing my van, but getting my hours. So, and that's the thing too. We're not able to get overtime just yet because our company is fairly new. So the owner wants to figure out exactly how much money he can make in within a year before he starts giving out overtime and stuff like that. So, but like I said, there's more things in store. So anyways, you see the numbers here. Numbers don't lie. So, and I'm not here to brag. I'm not bragging or anything like that. A lot of people are not driving yet, so they don't know exactly what to expect. Now, again, this is with bonuses that came along with it in a raise. So you may start out a little lower than that. So your first average checks may be around, if you're hitting your hours, your first checks may be around 900,000 or something like that, and so that 1600, that right there, even though it's gross, that 300 is going to taxes. That's going straight. Whenever I get my taxes, whenever I do my taxes, that right there is going right back to me. And so at the end of the day, guys, what you got to really focus on is getting your hours and making sure your van is empty. Those are the two main concerns, because I'm like you guys. I have a family to feed. You know what I mean? And I got to put a roof over people's heads. So at the end of the day, make sure you're taken care of and make sure that you're doing the right thing. Don't skip out on your hours. Your hours is everything to you guys. So that's my 2 cents. That's my advice. And if you guys ever wanted to know exactly how much I get paid, this is actually the biggest check I've ever had. My first 2 months working here. And so, yeah. So with that being said, guys, stay focused, stay dedicated, stay positive, and achieve your dreams. Anything can happen. So, and this is just the beginning. I want you guys to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like this video for more content, because there's going to be more things that I'm going to drop. This is not the end. Driving for the company I drive for, this is just the beginning, guys. There's more things I want to show you guys that you may not know, or you may know of, but you don't know exactly how you could get into it. And I'm going to show you guys, but you have to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like the video. All right, let's go.
Out here making moves, I've been making money like a nigga graduated school.